Welcome to this modern, luxury, 2-unit condominium with a townhouse style in one of Portland's most desirable locations. It's just blocks to the Alberta Arts District with plenty of restaurants and shops. Built by Renaissance Homes, it's energy efficient and ENERGY STAR certified. Heading inside, you'll discover a contemporary design with hardwood floors and high-end designer finishes throughout. With 9-foot ceilings and plenty of windows, you'll enjoy an abundance of natural light. The great room opens to the gourmet kitchen with quartz countertops, a large island with an eating bar, and stainless steel appliances. On the upper level, you'll find a spacious master suite filled with natural light. All bedrooms feature Hunter Douglas blackout blinds, along with high-end custom wood plantation shutter blinds. The spa-like master bath features a dual-sink vanity with quartz countertops, tile floors, a designer tile shower, and a large walk-in closet. Other features include dual-zone high-efficiency ductless mini-splits, providing heating and cooling with each floor having its own dedicated system. It also has premium insulation for energy efficiency, and it scored 10 out of 10 in the Energy Audit Score with the City of Portland. You'll also enjoy a low-maintenance front and backyard with an automated irrigation system. You'll love this convenient location, just a few blocks from a neighborhood park, McMenamin's Kennedy School, New Seasons, and much more. It's also just a few minutes from downtown Portland and the Portland Airport. A fantastic opportunity in a premier location. It's all here ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Bryant Cahill with Premier Property Group at 503-901-9401.